We are here with a special vlog for you. A Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider. Not in any ordinary spec. This one is specced out of his head. Finished in this beautiful purple. I like to call it the Joker spec. The front end on this, wow, very aggressive. Beautiful design. Very angry looking headlights. All I can see is it resembles what it is, which is a bull. If you come down the side of the car, cameraman, 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, a green brake caliper. I mean, wow, check out the size of that. This one has got the Pirelli P0s. If you see the stitching on the seats, on the interior, it matches the green calipers. Now the side profile of the car, beautiful, very nice to look at. And then if you come to the rear, oh yes, wow. Have a look at that. That's one beautiful rear end, eh? Got the twin pipes down the middle. Very aggressive diffuser. Oh yes, what a colour. What a car. Can't wait to get out in the road in this and see what it's all about. Let me hit you with the visuals and then we'll just get straight to it, ladies and gentlemen. Right then, guys, we've hit you with the cinematics. We pulled out the long lost co-pilot after a very long time. Raf, where you been, man? They all been.
I'm too scared to see the car, you know, but you know that.
They all been asking where is Raf hiding. We managed to pull him out today.
I thought, you know, even though I'm scared, yeah, you can't say no to a Lambo, innit?
Can't say no to a Lambo. What a Lambo it is as well, man. Unbelievable. First things first, listen, in Strada, the car is very nice and quiet. You know, it absorbs the road beautifully. Considering it's a very low car. Right, we're going straight into Corsa, no faffing about. Let's ignite those 630 horses.
Race for impact.
Unbelievable. Absolute perfection.
I would rate anybody to sit in this seat while she's driving.
When do we ever see Raffard coming out with a belt?
Oh my god.
I need to park you up, need to catch a moment, guys. My palms are sweaty.
Allah di kassa, wow. That is fucking...
What a car.
Scary.
What a car. Lamborghini, take a bow. I drove the Audi R8, but a Lambo is a Lambo. Honestly, the driving, the precision, the placement, point and shoot is so precise, so agile. It's perfection. Perfection.
Bro,
and that
beauty.
noise, that V10, you get it from the back.
And then you get the driver as well, innit?
What a car, man.
You can drive this every day as well.
Yeah, every day
People
is
say
so
you can't drive this every day. It's so comfortable. Custom. Just this little bit of leg room. Apart from that,
Wow.
that engine sound at the back. Placed it in man.
I love Porsches. We both love Porsches.
Yeah.
In terms of driving focused cars, Porsches are unbelievable. But when it comes to sound, they're just dead.
Dead.
This,
Yeah.
this is where Lamborghini just
Takes over from any car. From it. It's up.
I love these paddle shifters as well. No matter where I move the steering, they stay.
Yeah. The one that you built. I'm lost for words because what a car this is. A lot of the videos that you do beside I say what a car, but this is the like what a car.
This
is the top, yeah, what a car.
This is the creme de la creme. Wow! Listen, if I go quiet a lot of times in this game, in this video, right?
Okay.
It's because I literally feel like I'm in a video game. Honestly, it feels like I'm in a video game, and I've got to stay focused. It's not a car to mess about with this. Listen, let me tell you something now, yeah? If you're not into cars, mate, and you're watching this video,
Kill yourself. No wonder for life.
that's a bit extreme. What's the time? It's 4:25 right now. Ralph, is there anything else you would be doing rather than this right now?
Nothing.
Countryside roads, absolutely kicking a Lamborghini's head in.
I wouldn't do anything.
With the
I
roof
can't
down.
even, just genuinely, I can't even think of anything bad to do.
Not a tunnel, mate.
You have to like a car, man. How can you not like a car?
Oh my days. You could never get bored of this.
Never.
Never.
I'll drop down to first speed. These are scary roads.
She's just so precise. She's like a dream. She is a dream. Thank you very much, mate. Go on, fit a bus to her.
Fucking armpits are dripping fucking buckets me right now, you know. what I
rough.
mean? This is actually fine, but I'm still loving it at the same time.
V10, naturally aspirated, so you're not waiting for any turbos, nothing. Straight there. The way you cover ground in this is unbelievable, isn't it?
Slow down a little bit. Fucking hell.
You know what? After that route, for the first time ever, I'm gonna park up. I need a rest as well after that. Oh.
You know, I'm scared at the same time. I'm buzzing as well, if you know what I mean. Qassam. Wow.
The flies are loving it, guys. Have a look at that.
What's that, 2.8 feet?
Yeah.
It's pretty mental how much time.
Flies are loving it, man. It's all over. Wow, what a car, guys.
How much it weighs? 600. How much is it?
109 horsepower. This is full manual now. This one, full manual, so you got to change here. You feel it more aggressive? Yeah.
Unbelievable. Wow.
Wow.